Nandi is the gate guardian deity of Kailash, the abode of Lord Shiva. He is usually depicted as a bull. The decorated bull, Gangireddu, is the tradition of the ancient South India. During the festival of Pongal, this bull is decorated and performs stunning feats. An ox can dance to the tune of his master's Nadashwar. It can nod at his command or shake his head to indicate no. Kneel down and prostrate or bow when asked to. You can often see a Gangireddu stand on its master's chest and bow in complete humility, appreciating a patron who has bestowed money or food on them. The Dance with the Bulls series showcases the feats they perform. The tradition of Gangireddu is associated with Shaivism and Gram Devata or Parashakti, honored as the universal energy field and attributes. Nandi is a Dravidian root word, kui, which was taken to Prakrit and Sanskrit and translates to joy and happiness. According to the Shaiva Siddhantic tradition, he is considered as the chief guru of the 8 disciples of the Nandinath Samapradaya, who were sent in 8 different directions to spread the wisdom and enlightenment of Lord Shiva.
The word Nandi has come from the Tamil root word Nandu, which means to grow, to flourish, or to appear, which was used to indicate growing or flourishing of white bulls, as well as divine bull Nandi. The Sanskrit word Nandi has the meaning of happy, joy, and satisfaction. The properties of divine guardian of Shiva, Nandi. Almost all Shiva temples display stone images of a seated Nandi, generally facing the main shrine. It is recently documented that the application of the name Nandi to the bull Sanskrit Vrishabha is in fact a development of recent syncretism of different regional beliefs within Saivism. The name Nandi was widely used instead for an anthropomorphic doorkeeper of Kailasha, rather than his mount in the oldest Saivite text in Sanskrit, Tamil, and other Indian languages. Siddhantic texts clearly distinct Nandi from Vrishabha. According to them, Devi, Chandesha, Mahakala, Vrishabha, Nandi, Ganesha, Bhiringi, and Kartike are the 8 Ganeshwaras, commanders of Shiva. The worship of Shiva and Nandi can be traced back to the Indus Valley civilization time period. The famous Pashupati seal depicts a seated figure, which is usually identified as Shiva, and there are many bull seals found in Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, which led to conclusion of the researchers that Nandi worship has been a long-standing tradition for many thousands of years. Nandi is described as the son of the sage Shilada. Shilada underwent severe penance to have a boon, a child with immortality and blessings of Lord Shiva, and received Nandi as his son. It is said that Nandi was born from a yajna performed by the Shilada, and his body was clad in armor made out of diamonds when he was born. Nandi grew as an ardent devotee of Lord Shiva, and he did penance to become his gatekeeper as well as his mount on the bank of river Narmada near Tripur Tirtha Kshetra in present-day Nandikeshwar temple in Jabbalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Nandi got the divine knowledge of Agamic and Tantric wisdom taught by Shiva from goddess Parvati. He could teach that divine knowledge to his 8 disciples, who are identified as the progenitors of Nandinatha Sampradaya, namely Shanaka, Shanatana, Shanandana, Shanatkumara, Tirumular, Vyagrapada, Patanjali, and Shiv Yoga Muni. These 8 disciples were sent in 8 different directions of the world by Nandi to spread this knowledge. Many other Puranic tales are available about Nandi. One describes his conflict with Ravana, the antagonist of Ramayana. Nandi cursed Ravana, the demon king of Lanka, that his kingdom would be burnt by a monkey, Vanara. Later, Hanuman burned Lanka when he went in search of Sita, who was imprisoned by Ravana in Ashok Vatika. Tamil Tiruvilayadal Puranam mentions another story in which Nandi is incarnated as a whale. It says that Parvati lost her concentration while Shiva was explaining the meaning of Vedas to her. Parvati then incarnated as a fisherwoman to atone. To unite his master and his beloved wife, Nandi took the form of a whale and started to trouble the people. Fisherwoman Parvati's father told that one who would kill the whale would marry his daughter. Later, Shiva took the form of a fisherman and killed the whale and received Parvati in her previous form. Agamas describe him in a zoanthropomorphic form, with the head of bull and 4 hands, with antelope, axe, mace, and Abhaya Mudra. In his mount form, Nandi is depicted as a seated bull in all Shiva temples all over the world. This form has been found even in Southeast Asian countries, including Cambodia. The white color of the bull symbolizes purity and justice. Symbolically, the seated Nandi towards sanctum in Shiva temples represents an individual jiva, soul, and the message that the jiva should always be focused on the Parameshwara. From the yogic perspective, Nandi is the mind dedicated to Shiva, the Absolute. In other words, to understand and absorb life, the experience and the wisdom is Nandi, which is the Guru within.